Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Peacock to your Fire TV Stick Lite, step by step. This guide will help you stream your favorite movies, TV shows, and Peacock originals in no time. Step 1. Turn on your Fire TV Stick Lite. Plug your Fire TV Stick Lite into your TV's HDMI port and connect the power cable. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Make sure your Fire Stick is connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Go to the home screen. Once your Fire Stick is on, press the Home button on your remote to access the home screen. Step 3. Open the search function. Navigate to the search icon at the top left corner of the screen. This looks like a magnifying glass and lets you search for apps quickly. Step 4. Search for Peacock. Make sure to select the official Peacock app from the search results. Step 5. Install Peacock. Click Get or Download to start downloading the Peacock app. The installation usually only takes a moment or two depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Open the Peacock app. Once installed, select Open to launch Peacock. You can also find it later on your home screen under Your Apps and Channels. Step 7. Sign in or subscribe. If you already have a Peacock account, enter your email and password to sign in. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account and select a subscription plan. Step 8. Start streaming. Once signed in, you can browse movies, TV shows, and Peacock originals in no time. Use your Fire Stick remote to navigate, search, and add favorites to your watch list. And that's it! Peacock is now ready on your Fire TV Stick Lite for hours of entertainment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.